Fatima B. Cacayan, a Teacher 1 applicant of Jagna district. For my skills demonstration, I will make a Standee 3D letter. These are the materials that I am going to use. Chipboard cut into strips, ruler, pencil, glue sticks, cutter, paintbrush, glue gun, and white latex paint. Step 1. Trace the letter on the chipboard. Step 2. Cut the edges using a cutter. I cut 2 pieces of letter A. Step 3. Paste the 1.5 side strip chipboards on the corner and edges using the stick glue. Make sure that all the corners and edges were pasted together. Glue the other traced letter A on top. So this is how it looks like. Next, add color to the letter using the latex paint and let it dry. Now this is the result after applying the latex paint. For the design, I will use black and gold glitter papers. So here is the final result. Thank you and have a good day.